Hey everyone, this is Anthony, lead realtor here. Thank you so much for joining us for this home tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Contact details are in the description of this video. If you want to schedule a showing, please let us know as soon as possible so we can get this organized for you. And for those of you that haven't already, please subscribe, support us. It takes us a lot of time to get these home tours out to you. With that said, enjoy the rest of this home tour. I hope you're enjoying the home tour. My name is Anthony, lead realtor here, and I want to personally invite you to our home buyer presentation. So if you're looking to purchase a home in the next 2 years, you qualify, especially if you're a first-time home buyer, if you're looking to upgrade, downsize, or even if you're an investor. This is the next step. where I walk you through what that home buying process entails. I help you create a home search, a game plan. I detail out the scope of work that our team does to get you into your next home for the lowest price. So if you're interested, go down to the description of this video and go ahead and schedule your consultation. Look forward to talking to you soon.